We are talking about bisectors and triangles, medians and altitudes, and we identify and I use perpendicular bisectors and angle bisectors. So we're looking at example 3. Given line segment PT is an angle bisector of triangle SPG. So this is an angle bisector, so I'm going to mark that on my drawing to make sure that I remember that. So this is the angle bisector, it told us. So because that's the angle bisector, we know that we have two congruent angles. If the measure of angle SPT, so SPT is 4x plus 12. So I'm going to label my drawing. And the measure of SPG, now that's the whole thing. And the measure of SPG goes from there to there. That is 12x minus 4. What is the value of x, and what is the value, or what is the measure of angle GPT? So then we want to figure out what this angle is. Well, we already said that these two angles are congruent. So then that also means that 4x plus 12 is the value of that angle right there. So we can set up our angle addition postulate, and we can say that the measure of angle GPT plus the measure of angle SPT is equal to the measure of angle SPG. Then we want to substitute those values in. So the value of SPG is 12x minus 4. And we know that these other two values are 4x plus 12. So we just substitute those in from our drawing over here. Next, we can combine like terms. We have 4x and 4x, so we get 8x. And we have 12 and 12, so that's going to be 24. And that is equal to 12x minus 4. So we can subtract 8x from both sides of the equation. So that gets our 8x's to cancel. And on the left side, we're left with 24. And that is equal to 4x minus 4. So we can add 4 to both sides of the equal sign to get rid of our 4 over here. And we get 28 is equal to 4x. And we can divide both sides by 4. And then we get 7 is equal to x. Our 4's cancel. 20 divided by 4 is 7. Now the question says the measure of, wants us also not only find x, but it wants to find the measure of angle GPT. So the measure of angle GPT is equal to 4. And then we know that our x value is 7. And we still have to add that 12 right there. And we're getting a little crowded in. So 4 times 7, measure of angle GPT, is equal to 28 plus 12. So measure of angle GPT is equal to 40.